Hi there, in this video you will learn about how to export active users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. For IT administrators, maintaining an up-to-date list of active users in Google Workspace is essential for accurate reporting, license management, and compliance. Manually tracking active accounts can be inefficient and prone to errors, especially in large or fast-growing organizations. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in, a powerful automation tool designed specifically for Google Workspace. It enables administrators to effortlessly export all the active users, ensuring efficient account management and compliance. xFanatical Foresight simplifies the process of listing active users and maintaining accurate records effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for the Export Active Users in Google Workspace template and click on it. In the Export Active Users in Google Workspace page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Active Users in Google Workspace will display. Click Next. The rule is pre-configured, so no additional setup required. In the Upload Data to Drive screen, in the Google Drive folder field, select the desired Google Drive folder where you would like to store the CSV file. Click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions will guide you through how xFanatical Foresight exports active users in Google Workspace. Go back to xFanatical Foresight. Click on the play button of Export Active Users in Google Workspace rule. Wait until you receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Verify in your Google Drive to ensure that the CSV file has been successfully stored by the automation rule. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.